history of Ducati is quite amazing a story because it looked like a clock and dagger novel. You can tell that the company was created in 1926 by the Cavalieri Ducati brothers. There were three young boys, Adriano, Marcello and Bruno Cavalieri Ducati, that started up the production of small electric condensers in a small workshop in the center of Bologna.
Ducati prospered until World War II turned Europe upside down.
October the 12th, 1944, the company was destroyed by a bombing raid. There were 75 B-24 Liberators that took off from the south of Italy. They dropped over 750 bombs in the factory and in the nearby of Borgo Panigale.
To stay alive after the war, the Ducati factory had to reinvent itself and meet the needs of a new post-war Italy.
Ducati brothers sought to produce, under licensing, a small four-stroke engine that could be fitted on a frame of the bicycle. That was in 1946 when Ducati started to produce the cucciolo, the puppy, a small dog.
That puppy, that small toy, is the first two-wheel vehicle to ever wear the name Ducati.
That was the first thing that Ducati has made. Don't look at the wall bike, you have to take a look just the engine and the tank, because that was the kit that Ducati sold to the customers in 1946.